Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the "you need the official WhatsApp to use this account" error. Let's begin. If you're seeing this error, the first thing you need to do is disable Play Protect on your device. Open the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select Play Protect, then tap on the settings icon at the top right. By default, there will be two options enabled. Simply disable both of them. If the issue persists, the next step is to clear WhatsApp's cache. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down, and tap on Apps or App Management. Find WhatsApp in the list and select it. Once inside, tap on Force Stop, then go to Storage and clear the cache. After doing this, check if the issue is resolved. If you're still experiencing the error, the next solution is to uninstall WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it from the Play Store. However, keep in mind that uninstalling the app may delete your chat history if you haven't backed it up. If none of these steps work, the last resort is to contact WhatsApp support. Open the official WhatsApp website and click on the Contact Us option. Enter your phone number, email address, and specify the platform you're using. Describe your issue in detail and submit your request. That's how you can fix the "you need the official WhatsApp to use this account" error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.